We're porting our MMO to Google App Engine. Right now what you're seeing is on Heroku, and if we look at the source file for this, if we look on Heroku, we get the source file when we go to this path, but when we go to Google App Engine, we're getting this, but however, there's a difference now. This says ibod.replaceAll is not a function, so I figured out the problem. Let's look at the code. So in the top level helper functions, we have this new wrapper for string.replaceAll, basically. We have these monkey wrench macros, and then we have this function called replaceAll bod find replace. So we have the body string, the find string, and the replace string. And all we're doing here is making sure that all three of these are actually strings. If they're not, we're going to create an error message and load it into EM, and we're going to set the has error flag to true. Then if we have an error, the output string is going to be that error message. Otherwise, the output string is going to be equal to the body.replaceAll, the find string, the replace string. This is not available on all versions of Node.js. This is our problem right here, but we're not going to fix it in this video. This is a dead branch of code. It should never execute. We're not going to throw an error, though. If we get here, we're just going to make a unique message that we can find in the code. We're going to return the output string here. Inside of our Node.js environment, the server environment, in our request handler function, in the atomic IV MMO path, within the function that gets the contents of the atomic IV MMO.js and puts it into icof. Down here, we have replaced the replaceAll with this wrapper for replaceAll. So it's a wrapper. It takes the body. It takes what we're looking for, what we want to replace with. So we do it twice, once for this black magic URL, once for this black magic URL. So here's what we did previously, and then here's what we did. Well, here's our footnotes, and then here's what we did in this video. So we got to get out of here. We don't have time. You can go here for a longer explanation. You are here. Source code is here. So you've been on video 355. Like and subscribe.